everyone, my name is Miss Danielle and I'm going to read a Dr. Seuss book. The book that I have for you today is called 10 Apples on Top. Now, let's turn our listening ears on and let's listen. Miss Danielle might have you count with me, okay? Are you ready? Okay. 1 apple on top. Can you show me one finger? Good. 2 apples on top. Can you show me 2 fingers? 1, 2. Good job. Look, you, I can do it too. Look, see, I can do 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 3. I see, I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. He has 4 red apples on top of his head. How silly is that? Look, see? Now I can hop with 4 apples on top. Do you think you can hop with apples on your head? I don't know if I could do that. You might be able to though. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look at that. Look here, you two. See here, you two? I can get 5 on top. Can you? All right. Can you show me 5 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. I am so good, I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. Look at that. That tiger, he thinks he's something else, don't he? That silly tiger. 7 apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. You don't think they'll drop? All right, can we take a break? Let's do 7 fingers. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers. Good job. 5, 6, 7. Fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That tiger, I'm telling you, he is one silly tiger. But see, we're as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. So now we have the tiger, the lion, and the puppy dog. All has what on their head? 7 red apples. And now, see here, 8. 8 on top. 8 apples up. Not one will drop. Uh-oh. All right, can you show Miss Danielle 8 fingers? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers. Good job. 8, 8. And we can skate. Look now, we can skate with 8. Ooh, they're so brave. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. Can you hop? Can you show Miss Danielle? How can you hop? Good job. We can do it too. See here, we are good as you. We all are very good, I think, with 9. We all can hop and drink with 9. Can you show Miss Danielle 9 fingers now? That might be hard, but I believe you can do it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers. 9 is very good, but then come on and we will make it 10. Do you think that the lion and the puppy dog can do 10 apples like the tiger? Do you think they can put 10 apples on their head? Let's see. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. Whoa, that's a lot of red apples. All right, can you show Miss Danielle 10 fingers? Show me 10 fingers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Good job. Look out, I see him up. Uh-oh. What do you think's going to happen? I will make the apples fall. Get out, you. One and all. Oh, no. Come down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. They're going down the steps with their apples on their head. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. They are determined to not let one apple fall off their head. Look at them run. I don't know if I could run with apples on my head. I think they might fall. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. Oh no. They will get them if we let them. Come, we cannot let them get them. They're running away again. Look out! The mop! Uh-oh. You cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop. Not one. Looky there. Come all. We have to make the apples fall. They must not get our apples down. Come on, get out of town. Apples up on top. All of this must stop. Stop. Now our fun is going to stop. Our apples all are going to drop. Oh, wow. Look at all those apples. Oh, no. Uh-oh. That's not good. Look, 10 apples on all of us. What fun! Will we not let them fall? Now everyone has 10 apples on their head. Look. They shared their apples. It's very nice to share. Miss Danielle shares her toys. Do you share your toys? It's a very nice to do is to share. Alright, that is all I have for you today. You guys have a good evening and I'll see you later. Bye.